the backtest and I can see what was the wrong, why I have done that, all the mistakes. Now I can understand that.
What what is the backtest result you're seeing right?
The backtest results are awesome. Yani I went basically now as we discussed, as per the discussion. Now I'm not going to entry levels, but from the backtest, what I'm doing is from the 4 hour zone. Then I went to 30 minutes zone. From there, I'm looking the market concept. What is the reach? So it is unbelievable.
Okay, no problem. This is just as I said. This is the one topic we are in the. I think I covered only to 30% of that topic. Once we
Yeah,
cover.
yeah. I agree with you, but the way I am doing the back test, as per your guidance, the back test results are like crazy, and it's going boom, and I don't I when I see the back test day before yesterday, I went immediately into Salah and I said, thank God, now I am doing, now I think I am onto the progress.
Okay, great. So, okay, fine. We are going to. I'm going to eventually share my screen, so we are going to jump on the same.
Okay, bro.
And my chart loading. Is my chart loading? Everyone see my chart?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, everyone.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, those who has voice issue can text. You can write in the chat box. Is my voice also clear? Is my voice is breaking? Like I have lots of complaint when I uploaded it here and there. We just see the broken my voice. So I'm not sure why it's happening. So okay,
No, it's clear. It's completely clear. Maybe there is something wrong from the other side.
okay, I'm not sure. Okay, let's go to the chart. The chart. Okay, this is the analysis that I had earlier. I had with Shakir, so I did not enter again because it is the weekend, so I did not enter anything to analyze. So there is nothing to analyze. Once market open, I think it will open in 4 7 hours. Then as Monday is a little bit slow. So slow market, fast market doesn't matter. It is
Yeah.
doesn't matter. What it matter is the reaction of the market. As this is the one most important line you always hear from me. You may see the chart. You may predict like market will go from here to there. So what you should
Yeah.
not do is enter based on your prediction. Always enter on any trade based on the reaction of the market. So whatever market react, you will always react with the market. Don't predict. Like let's say we know that market will come from here to there. This is the top and this is the bottom. So you know that market is coming from here and it will stop there. So you should not enter based on the prediction. You always react what market is doing in front of you, and then you should go with the market flow. By doing that, what you will do, you don't need to win 100% of your trade. Nobody win 100%. If someone says like they are winning 100% of their trade, immediately you should block them. You should identify them as a fraud,
Yeah.
because if anyone can win 100%, that is like he is doing something we don't know. Maybe he has some information from Federal Reserve Bank. We don't. So, so that's always keep in your mind. We are going to wait. Let's look at. Is there any question? Is there any question? I will go through some little bit question and answering, because I when you open for a democratical board, like you ask someone what we need, they will tell you lots of different things. When I asked in the group like what we should cover, some said we should cover SNR, some said we should cover QM, some said engulfing. So there are lots of variation we saw. So let's have some question, and then I'm going to the chart. I will answer those question, and then I will cover. I think QM we should cover today. Also, I will go.
Bro,
Yes, go ahead.
when you come to the market and open a fresh chart, how can you analyze the chart? means that what are the factor you're looking for and what is the find in your chart. And one more question, how can you find the entry, and can you break down it step by step, like entry point and confirmation with time frame?
Okay, fine. One question I have. Arvind, I am from Bangladesh. And any other question? Okay, if there is no more question, then we'll go to the chart. As Arnav was asking, like, so what we always do, first thing first, you always do the top bottom analysis. So some may call it top bottom analysis, some may call it multi time frame analysis. So what you will do, uh, you just identify your top level and the bottom level. In that top level and bottom level, go for multi time frame. So let's say we are in daily time frame right now. The daily time frame what we are looking here is, okay. So just one more question. Everyone is familiar what kind of analysis I do, right? I do engulfing, I do SNR, and all of
Yeah.
so so what we are looking on this here is, as I said, just okay. So what we're looking for is top bottom analysis. The top, as look at here, is this is the yesterday's candle with daily candle, and this was the day before the yesterday. We always need two candle to identify our zone. Always two candle is your friend. Multi candle okay, but you have to, if you want to find any level, you have to at least take two candle. This two candle, and it could be way more than two candle, but for a level you should find two candle. So let's look at here. This is yesterday's candle, and this is yesterday and day before yesterday's candle also. Like today is Sunday, right? Sorry, not yesterday, I'm telling about today is Sunday. So this is eventually Friday's candle, and this is the Thursday's candle. Also, this is our top, and what we are seeing on here is the bottom of our candle, which is also two candle I am marking. So what you identify eventually high and low, which someone, as I said, some people call it top bottom analysis. This is top and this is bottom. We find our top and we find our bottom. Why? Always remember, one green candle and one red candle give you the V shape. One green red candle and always one green candle will sorry, green candle and red candle will give you the A shape, and red candle and green candle will give you the V shape. So these are the two things you find. That means this is high and this is. So who is very new here, don't know like what is A shape and B shape. I am going to show you immediately what is A shape. So the new people who is actually new here. So this is the red candle and green candle. What in the topper side you see, it is creating a shape, and the red candle and green candle in here in the bottom side we are seeing how you see it is a shape or V shape. Go to the line chart. In the line chart you will see this is a very V shape, like this is a right, and this is a V. So this is a shape, and this is what we are calling it a V. That's it. That's it. You identify your daily zone. If you don't know what else you should do, if you like, okay, I do not know what I should do next. You just draw. If you only can draw this one, what you will see, like this is the Thursday's candle, and you took eventually this level by combining Wednesday and the Thursday's level. Also, this level you took like Tuesdays and the Wednesday. So what you see on Friday is oil market started. This is the closing of this Thursday's candle, right? This is the closing.
Yeah.
So what eventually market did, it goes to the high level, which was opening of this candle and closing of that candle. Also is showing us it is a shape. So what is the reaction is, it goes to our A shape, and whole day it was dwelling in between this our identified range, and eventually it is coming to our V shape, and we see another reaction, right? So that's it. That's
I
it.
have one question, brother.
I will come to your question. I have a little bit. So now go to the H4. H4, what we are seeing on H4 also. In the H4, if you see in the H4, this is the level of the daily level, and we see another V shape on here. So eventually when this V shape is broken, are confirming, this is eventually confirming that we are going to the downside. How much further to go to the downside? We have a level on here. This is the level we find out earlier. This is the level we are expecting to do a downside. And once you identify this is the breakout of a Tuesday maybe, and it is the Friday's 3 candle 12 hour for 24 hour, is that? So yes, it is also the Friday. So once you find out that okay, this is the breakout of our zone, also sorry, I marked it wrongly. So this red candle and this green candle, it created a V shape, right? So this is the breakout, and we see when market goes back again to our V shape, and it is a very fresh one here. So and immediately it reacting from here, and it is coming here. So once you do your analysis, then you start to identify the, as I do, the engulfing zone. So this is engulfing we are seeing in the top side. So also we are having an engulfing, as this is the today's market we are talking about. So this is the engulfing we are seeing, and another engulfing we are seeing. So this basically our zone to looking for only the Friday. Once it is broke out here, now go to the 30-minute. In the 30-minute zone, we have the H4 zone. Also, we have an SNR, which is very fresh level, and this fresh level is eventually matching with the 30-minute gap level. So eventually, we see this reaction and it coming back to our reaction. There are so many trade on here. I had, I think, 2 hour session yesterday with Shakir. So it need much time to explain again how many trade we are going to have there. Eventually, you see we are in 30-minute, right? So if you are missing anything, let's go to again 15-minute. Look for the, you find out your zone. This is the high zone. This is the low zone. So in the zone, you look for the engulfing. This is another engulfing here, and we have an engulfing here. So if you miss this trade, I had a trade on here. So I see there is a level Friday. If you look at the Telegram, you will see that I, when I took enter on 74 level, I announced it on there like. So also the sale was posted on the group. What happened eventually, market went here and eventually it coming immediately coming from here. So if you draw a trend line, this is another topic to cover. This is the trend line we are seeing. Also we have a trend line on here. I just draw from here to there. Maybe I forgot how I draw that trend line. So we see a reaction on here. So I entered again another trade from here. Eventually I exited on H1 level. I saw there is an H1 levels. I did not hold for that much because market will be closed. So I exited on this engulfing zone. Actually what it did, created a engulfing, failed on here, and now market is here. So what is the prediction right now? As I said, we can do the prediction, but we will react with the market. So what is the prediction right now is market already entered on our H1, right? So what we need to look for right now is get a engulfing sale in here. Once we see an engulfing sale, market goes back to like this way. So we are already seeing a engulfing here. So engulfing. So what we need to see, market go back to this level. So once it coming back to that level, we'll go for immediate 5 minute to enter on this position. Eventually, we'll have a short position. So our stop loss will be very tight, very tight. Our stop loss will be 5 pips, and our take profit will be, yeah, or maybe you can stop on this level. It will be still 1.25, 1 is to 2.5 ratio. Is if you take $100 risk, you will eventually make like almost $180. That's it. This is the top down analysis. Okay, now I will ask the question what you were asking.
Yeah, for me, actually, I just want to ask, brother, the H4 is already, yeah, when you go to H4 level,
Okay, is my voice breaking again? Someone is saying my voice is breaking.
no.
Okay, so go to the H4. Okay, yeah, I am on H4.
So, here, yeah, here it is already created the, sorry, not H, no, 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 not sorry, sorry. It is maybe I it's mistaken.
Yeah, what was your
Yeah.
question?
Now the
Just
level,
ask me so that if you
the,
have
the
to
level I saw the level that it is already breakdown and it is on what you say, it is engulfing failed.
yes, it is
Maybe
on
it is
30
on
minute. It is
H1.
on 30 minute, not in the H4. Sorry, 1 minute also
Yeah,
in 30 minute. If you
sorry.
say this is the 1 minute engulfing we are seeing, right? So
Yes,
this is failed
that
on
one
here.
I'm. So
Yeah.
it is a roadblock when the price will come here and it may try to go down and then it can bounce up.
Currently, it is not a roadblock. Roadblock is like, okay, so let's say we are in the downtrend, right? We are in the downtrend
Yeah,
and market goes back here. So this is our roadblock. Should we exit on here or not? We continue or
mhm.
like, okay, what is the roadblock is here? Like, let's say we are looking for sell. So this is the H4 buy zone we are having right now, right? So this
That's
is the
right.
H4 buy zone. So usually what we are expecting, market will come back here. So if we see any buy pattern here, we are looking for buy. So what is our
It's already from H4. It's already did the M30 engulfing.
here?
Yeah,
No, I have to look. I just missed. Yeah, I will. So let me finish here. If it is come back here, right, and we see a opportunity to buy, let's say we are going to buy here. So this is the roadblock. So we have to figure out what we should do in that roadblock. If we see any kind of sell pattern, we are going for sell. But remember, there is this is the ultimate target we are going to see. So
yes,
what we will do in that roadblock is there any opportunity to look for sell? This will be our retracement sell. So we don't miss our
yeah,
retracement. We don't miss also the original direction. This is the direction. This is the
yeah,
if it if we do a retracement, we will do the retracement and we will go back again buying from here.
Bro,
Yeah.
yeah.
you also trade the retracement, not the impulse one.
We trade everything. We don't miss.
So, brother, my question is, when you go to H4, I just want you to go to H4.
Okay.
Okay, now H4, it went inside its buy zone H4, and you go to 30 minutes now.
Yes, go to the 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. It made already buy engulfing.
Yeah, this one you're talking about this one.
Yes.
We have seen a buy and gulf. So what what
Yeah.
what you need to do in that buy and gulf as you see buy and gulf. Yeah. Let's wait for market coming
Yeah.
back here. This is the H4
Yeah.
buy zone. So as I
Yeah.
said,
This is M30.
whenever market come to you level, what we do? We don't jump immediately, right? We need to see
Hmm.
the reaction. You can
Okay.
filter it on 5 minutes, filter it on 3 minutes.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
once you see the pattern, you just do
Yeah.
as the reaction you see in the market. As someone asked, like, do we trade the retracement? Yes, the retracement is as you don't need to hold lots of the volume in the retracement. You just enter, you just take your profit, you just take this on the retracement. Arnab, did I
Understood.
clear your question?
Uh, can you just summarize it, bro?
Oh my god. Again, this is the summary that I made. This is not the longer analysis. This is the summary I just made. And again, that's something else.
There is various level. It's actually confusing me.
And yeah, okay, fine. When we do the next session, I can do that one. So let's start with the QM here. Let's start with the what is the QM event? There are five types of QM. Like, let me draw some five types. We are going to talk about the okay. So what we will see, this is, let's say this is the starting point of the market. We'll see high. Once market created a high, we'll see low, and then we'll see a higher high, and that's it. One, two, three, four, five, and what you need to do right now, trying this. So once what we are going for right now, we wait. Once market coming back to that level, we sell immediately. Like what will our stop loss? Our stop loss would, and you can put tight stop loss like this. You can use this high a little bit higher on here, or if you are very conservative, you can, if this high was long enough, avoid you stop loss very tight. If it is like short high, like let's say the what we are seeing, this this high is very near to this high, right? If you see this kind of high, you can use this one as in stop loss. But if you see longer, like you taking too much risk, don't, just avoid it. You just, then you can easily take your target profit. Like this should be, this is like huge win. Another kind of QM you will like a trend line basis, like one. This is kind of QM. I'm not going to cover this. When you draw a trend line like this way, draw a trend line like this way, you will, it will also look like an, right, high low high, call it QMXL. So so let's find some real life example on,
Bro,
yeah.
bro, sometimes this level of the QM is breakdown. So how you can filter the exact QM level?
You filter the QM level, as I said. This is the you guys knows the pattern of the chart pattern. There is lots of chart pattern in the market, like people
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
triangle pattern and what other pattern people called. So you don't, whenever you see a pattern, you don't jump immediately, right? Not the way you should. Once you see a pattern, just you just add some confidence level with that pattern. So what I mean by that is, let's look at here, at everything. Let's look at here. What we are seeing on here, only here. This is the high. This is the high. Sorry, this is the high. This is the low, and it is high, and even a lower low, right? So what we are expecting is market coming back. If it is coming back here, what is the confluence level we are seeing? We have a SNR level here. We have a fresh SNR on 1 hour. We have a very fresh gap on 1 hour here. This is the also, again we are seeing a engulfing on here. So this should be a very good.
Yeah.
So this is how you filter. You see a QM, you draw other confluence level, like if you draw also a trend line from here to there, this is the trend line. So if you if you somehow wondered why I draw trend line like this way, not high to high, right? This is something you will why you should. So what are the most confluencing level is? We have an engulf here, right? We have an engulf here.
Yeah.
We have a V shape which is very fresh.
Mhm.
Sorry, A shape which is very fresh. We have a very fresh gap level here. Let me draw it on the V. We have a fresh level here, right? We have a very fresh.
Bro, this level is breakdown by the green candle, no? This A shape. This last A shape.
One,
No, 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 no. Previous one, previous one, previous one.
one. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
the
Once it is,
top.
why I call it brave. Once it broke out here, till it is coming back down to not even touch anything. That's why it is fresh. It is broke out here.
I have one here. This QM pattern always has to be uh, close above, close above the first higher high.
Is that Shakir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. I will tell you what you should not much
Okay.
concerning right now. Let me say
Okay.
it what the fresh level market did not touch once. We have an engulfing here which is failed, and we have two confluence, have confluence, the engulfing. Yeah, this engulfing level is aligned with this. fresh level, right?
SNR.
This fresh
With
SNR.
shape.
Also, what we are seeing a very fresh gap. How you should trade gap? We will have when as I said, I will take as SNR is much more complex. I do not want to jump in an SNR and try to explain it. I don't want you guys to be scared like what the hell is he saying? So once now what we are expecting. Now what we are expecting. Let's look at now draw a trend line. So this is the trend line we are expecting, right? So if you see this trend line is intersecting this two SNR level, let's go to the 30-minute chart. Let's look any kind of SNR we are seeing in the 30-minute here. So what we are looking is this fresh level is still valid for 30-minute and 1 hour. So as it is like similar, but we have a breakout here, the 50, the breakout we are seeing, but this is not fresh, but 1 hour it is. Also if you look at this one, we have a sell. What should be the expectation is now once market come back to like this way, we are going to position as we have a longer term engulfing buy engulfing on. This is how you should
Mm,
this is how you should see the chart. And maybe what I'm doing is in H4 to 30 minute. Go to the 1 minute also. Every single time frame, how you applied in the binary. So every single time, whenever you see something like that, you will always see that kind of reaction. So
Reaction.
reaction, right? So this is a sell engulfing on here. Market did not respect you engulfing. Now becoming a strong buy engulfing. When market coming back to your buy engulfing, it did react. Also, this is an engulfing on here. Engulfing on here. Market come back to your engulfing zone. Up on the upper side. This is another engulfing here. Market did not eventually come back. Okay, this candle is coming back and eventually up, right? So
Yeah.
so every single time frame just applicable for whatever is. But
Bro, we always wait for the comeback or always wait for the retracement after engulfing to enter the trade.
uh, you are asking like this is you find out, so you should wait when it coming back here.
Yeah.
Uh, yes. So if you're doing the Quotex, what you need 5 minutes. So in the 5 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, engulfing you have seen, yeah. So market did not even right.
Yes.
So what you need to do right now? Wait, coming back here, go to the 1 minute, gating on 1 minute, gating, break out this level to join on. This is how eventually I trade. How eventually that's how you should also trade.
But this is very lower time, right? Lower time is very dangerous, man.
What?
If it is 5 minutes, is it not too complicated, too much noise?
Yes, it is. It is complicated, but if you know what you're seeing, if you know what this is come from,
Yeah.
eventually the experience you spending with the chart come from
Oh,
eventually that
yeah,
side.
yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
So so
Great, bro.
yeah, this is how you should also see the chart. This is how you should analysis. And I this is I have totally like I was doing very boring thing, not had anything, was closed. Yesterday I deposited $50 in Cortex. I maybe made 500 and I lost in one single trade. So I said, okay, today is the day, so let's some revenge. And I did. I then and but this session was planned yesterday. Like what I will do today, there is nothing to do. So so I just plan it as a session. We will have another session maybe next 2, but this is the last session before the Eid. So I hope everyone, please guys, don't make the conclusion once you see the chart and don't join. enter any trade immediately. Look for it, wait for it, analyze it is on demo, because few people I know from the group who did not even know what chart was doing. They tried it. They are making also real good money on the real account. So is the free session that I am doing, it is also good enough for you. Very good enough. All the information also you can find it everywhere. Everywhere. This is not about the information that I am giving. You can maybe find it, try to search or try to learn more depthly. There is nothing like secret knowledge. That I am not connected with Fed. Federal Reserve doesn't give any information. Do I take loss? Yes, I also made loss. My target is not win 100% trade. My target is always like keep my win rate at least 60 to 70%. That's the target that I do. So that's it today, guys.
Understood.
Is there any more question? Is there any more question?
Not here.
Okay. Thank you so much. FX Predator, I will send you a link when I will join in 15 minutes.
Inshallah. Thank you. Thank you. Allah
Bye
Hafiz.
bye. Bye bye.